The Augsburg Confession, Article 7, of the Church. Our churches teach that one holy church is to remain forever. The church is the congregation of saints. Psalm chapter 149, verse 1, in which the gospel is purely taught and the sacraments are correctly administered. For the true unity of the church, it is enough to agree about the doctrine of the gospel and the administration of the sacraments. It is not necessary that human traditions, that is, rites or ceremonies instituted by men, should be the same everywhere. As Paul says, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 5 and 6.